The more technology surrounds us, the more human it needs to be. At Andromeda, we believe the best technology is built around people.
Most people believe that robots are designed to be tools, optimizing for efficiency, speed, productivity, automation, but the future that we're building, it's just really focused on robots that work and coexist alongside us.
We believe in companionship first.
We're building a humanoid companion that's with real people right now. We're tackling really big technical challenges that no one's ever faced.
We attract not only people who love those complex technological problems, but also care deeply about our mission.
Andromeda truly allows you to do engineering with a purpose.
We're bringing together large language models, speech to text, text to speech, facial recognition systems, visual context systems, memories, information. The intelligence layer wrangles all of these different pieces of information together to create one comprehensive experience for the user.
I like to say that we're building the emotional intelligence layer for modern robotics. It's the social operating system that will one day go into the billions of robots that are going to be built and deployed into the physical world.
Because the future of robotics isn't just about what machines can do, it's about how they make us feel. Andromeda, building emotional intelligence for robots.